My name is AppySluijs and I work at the University of Utrecht within the Department of Biology. And I mostly do research to climate and climate change in the geological past. So I'm in the field of geosciences, and within geosciences there is the European Geosciences Union. And just a couple of years ago, like 5-6 years ago, they started publishing open access journals. And that's a very good thing. They're all completely open access, so that means that everybody in the entire world can can look at these journals, look at the papers that were published in these journals. The second good thing about these journals is that they're just not open access. They are also within an open reviewing state, which means that as soon as a paper gets sent to a journal for publication, even before peer reviewing, it comes online, so everybody can take a look at it, and all scientists in the entire world can comment on the not peer-reviewed version of the paper, so that the paper can be improved by the authors for final publication. So I do research on a global scale, which means I not just do research on rocks in the Netherlands, but also in Patagonia and Indonesia. I currently have a student working on sediments from Nigeria. And some of the results that we generate are actually locally very relevant to some of these regions. And so it's very important that the publications I write are also for free downloadable for people in Nigeria and Indonesia. So I recently received a grant from the European Research Council, which is a European organ of getting money to the scientists. Within the contract with the ERC, there's a section which indicates that all the data that have been generated within this project should be deposited in an open access repository, which means essentially that we have to publish all the data online, open access. I think in general, all scientists should be willing to do this, because this is community money, essentially comes out of the taxpayer's pocket. And so it's good for transparency of science that this is being done, but also to make the data available to other scientists and also the general people is very important. Just because everything can be checked, everything can be assessed open access. Everybody can download the data and do with the data what they want to do. So the European Research Council now forces scientists to publish everything open access, which is, to me, it seems that it's better that the scientists want this themselves, right? Right now, the ERC puts it top down that scientists publish everything open access, but it's obviously much better if scientists themselves say, okay, we want to do this because it's much better. I think every scientist by heart wants to publish open access as long as they know what it is and what it means. I think there's, at the moment, lots of scientists don't really know what it is and what the advantages of it are. And so just by telling scientists what the advantages of open access publishing is, I think they'll want to do it themselves. I think open access is a very good thing, because it provides the opportunity for everybody on the entire world to look at scientific publications for free.